Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Building with Fusion. Today we will see how to build a CRM tool that is capable of sending automated reminder email notifications. Let's imagine we are building a CRM for a solar business. Our client wants to send annual reminders to his customers for maintenance and cleaning once the installation process is completed. These reminder notifications should be automated and sent via email. So without wasting any time, let's start building our app. First, I will go to the App Marketplace. Fusion has a number of pre-designed templates for different use cases that we can use to get started. I will search for a CRM template. This template looks good. Let's install it. Our CRM is installed successfully. Let's get an overview of the app. I will go to the Edit section of the app. Here we can see that there's already data collection prepared for leads, products, and tasks. As I have to send an annual maintenance notification to our customer, we'll add a couple of more fields in the leads collection: next maintenance date and maintenance status. I will also need an option to create and manage notification email templates. For this, let's create a new data collection and name it Email Templates. I will add the following fields to it: title, subject line, and email content. Next, let's check out the pages. I can see that there are pages to create leads, add customers, manage products, etc. I will need a couple of pages to manage the notification email templates. Let's quickly add them. I will also add the email template page to the menu. Now let's start making the required changes within our CRM. First, I will quickly add a customer. After the customer is added, I'm redirected to the details page. Within the details page of the customer, I want to manage the maintenance in the support section. For this, let's add the next maintenance date and maintenance status fields in the support form. The maintenance reminder will be sent to the customer on the date mentioned in the next maintenance date field. And once the maintenance is done, the status will be updated to completed. Next, let's set up the email template page. I'll quickly add a form to create email templates. Below the form, I'll add a table to display the list of all the templates created. Now let's create an email template for annual maintenance reminders. Clicking on the template will take us to the Edit Template page. Here, I will add a form using which I can update the email content. Now that our reminder notification email template is ready, let's start by setting up the reminder notification workflow. To create a new workflow, I'll go to the Edit page and open the Workflows section. I'll name the workflow as Maintenance Reminder and keep the frequency as Daily. Fusion has a visual workflow builder which will help us to easily set up our reminder workflow. Let's start filtering the data. For this, I will use the Data Filter block. Here I will select the Leads data collection and add the required filters. Then I will use AI to modify the data. We want the data of all the leads whose maintenance due date is the same as the current date. I'll type the prompt and ask the AI to generate the code and name the variable as lead data. Now using the data filter block, let's get the data for the reminder notification email. Here I will select email template as the data collection and add a filter that title should be equal to maintenance reminder. This will only get us the data of the maintenance reminder email template. I'll save this as a variable and name it as email template. Now let's use the modify data block to get the subject line and email content. In the first modify data block, I'll first select the email template variable that we created before, and then select a data point, which will be the subject line. Let's name this modified data as subject line. And now, in the other modify data block, I'll again select the email template variable, and then select email content as the data point. Let's name this as email content. Now let's add a loop on the lead data variable. Once the loop is added to the lead data, I will again use the modify data block to get the name and email of the lead. In the first modify, I will select the looped element as a data variable that I want to modify and select the name as the value that needs to be saved. In the other block, I will again use the looped element as the data variable and select email as the value which needs to be saved. Now let's use the text personalization block to personalize the email content. I want to mention the lead name within the reminder email. I will save this as email_content_final. Now that I have all the required data, let's add a block to send emails and enter all the required details. Finally, I will add a block to end the loop. Our email reminder workflow is now ready. Let's test if the workflow is working properly. I will go to the details page of an existing customer and enter today's date in the next maintenance field. I have entered my colleague's email address for this customer to check if we receive the reminder email. Now let's go back to the workflow and click on the test script button. Let me go to my email and check if we have received the notification. I can see that the notification email was received successfully. So I am going to stop right here. This video should have given you a fair idea of how you can customize a pre-designed template and set up email notification workflows. Please let us know if you find it useful or have any questions in the comments below. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Let us know what kind of sauce apps you would like us to cover in the future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day!